It's a joke. So I am proud of Ezekiel Machogu, and you give me the first opportunity. I can tell you how the result of this meeting goes. It will be a success for the entire 9 counties. I think you are shy. Oh, I think farming. Number 6 Gongoni. Compromise. I must be the team that changes this county once and for all. And somehow, Matiang'i compromise to Kenya. Anyone who wants to come for us must compromise their interests for the sake of the community. I am on record to say, somebody said, lakini in terms of the county, I want to go back. Lakini for now, the team leader, any group must have a team leader. So from what I see, it's my team leader for now. And what you don't know, I am a party leader of the People's Democratic Party. In check, not MCS party, not a Sunday party. Now, we are going to that's a time of coalition. We have agreed to support Fredo Kemo. Number 2, we have agreed in unison that this Kisii County must change for the better. Amen. For us to change for the better, we must bring intellect as opposed to bullying. We must bring ideas as opposed to coercion. We must bring knowledge as opposed to guesswork. Hallelujah. Amen. They used to call me number 6 Mugongoni. On the performance. Konyoranga gi na asira matanga no mugabana mwachorete gavana ndi mugumero kwa ukomboto twachira tabizo rukuguri mukungu sasa te mukungu sasa te hadi usute rore abre maskani toke aye wale dokta musaji o na mombe ya mapi isaba nasikia bakana matias na bekro kukombezi ne timu ngiyo na bachayo si bechoke na sawa bale bekgawe haleluya. We did not choose them to rule by the wives. We chose a governor. Now the governor, Mugirango as a cabinet, that was portfolio. And Mugirango as a cabinet, I just see a issue. What am I saying? When you saw himself as the one who was there, is that Aquarate, Usagotago. Only to see go tag to town with Tago again. Talk on wherever I can write. So, from what I'm so proud of Hasi. Look at my take. Actually, America Amukasi. And when the gods want to destroy you, they first will make you mad. In Guru, This is an international highway of Tanzania. Tanzania kwa Mbera, a town name. Is that what we want as a Kisii community? When and how did the Kisii community seek this law in terms of leadership? A good answer. A good manager delegates. A good manager gives responsibility and the path for accountability. So, government director, every agriculture, other watchman, was actually to watchman to go to the next time. Public Service Commission was our only job around the world. Our way behind the cool, like a second year. Give me tools to work. If I don't have tools, provide the failure, now you're not pushing what I'm doing. Come on, when you're going to do it, what's going to get it? I'm pleading with our time. We don't hate anybody. We don't hate anybody. If you come to Angere, I want to confess here. I am the one who made Zimbabwe what he is today. And please forgive me also. What I did in 2007, 2007, around the social I hold him, but I don't know what means I'm going to say. Okay, I can't tell you that Olomini, Baka, Mumbi, Politic. Whereas in Yonaki, I'm about to back a nomination after elections. What are you want? And then Yonaki, Kamuadina, a jacket. I said that I come to the Polytechnic, have your Canada Machibuba, Camera Web Castle. That's how Simba became a counselor, a kind of China. I am sure I can or a man. The person who that way from Chile to Omingo Magara. And that's what I'm telling him. And he knows it. He told his wife, he's acquitted Maxwell charge. Now I am what I am because of Omingo Magara. And I'm telling him, anybody who guards you and guides you to your father, if he there, because I know he can kill people, he's actually a cold-blooded fellow. He said, I'll get that man now. But when I'll get that man now, almost you get that man, Kapul, I could not. What are the other man here? Back, about Mumba Kavana. A man was here, I'm not talking to you.